Today at Ultimate Motors, we have a 2015 BMW 335. Let's do a quick walk around. It's an Alpine white with a Venetian beige Dakota interior. Has the M Sport package, so it means it gets bigger brakes, 19-inch M Sport wheels, bumpers, side skirts, etc. Has xenon headlights, inline 6 turbocharged engine, Bluetooth audio, as well as hands-free calling, sport automatic transmission, and more. Let's take a look inside. Let's start it up, see how it sounds. On the left side, you have all 4 automatic windows, controls for your side view mirrors, Harman Kardon premium sound. Moving on over, here are your headlight controls, automatic, off, fog lamps, and basically on. On the left side, you have buttons for your cruise control. On the right side, you have volume up and down, hands-free commands, picking up and declining calls. You can hit mode, has the M Sport wheel, M badge on the bottom, paddle shifters on the left and right sides. To adjust the center screen, hit the button right here, which is BC for board computer. Right now you have the remaining fuel in your tank, average fuel economy, average speed, the date, nothing, time, back to the range. The center screen is controlled by BMW's iDrive controller right below. Right now we're in the main menu. We can go to Multimedia. You can pick CDs, external devices such as your aux, tone to adjust your speakers. Go to radio, has AM, FM, radio, presets in your tone. Telephone, you hook your phone up, you can do phone book, redial your last number, phone log, etc. Contacts if your phone is hooked up. Even though you connect to Drive, you can pay for a subscription to have internet access, check the weather, find local gas stations, and more. You go to vehicle info, you have your efficient dynamics, driving style analysis, and eco pro tips to get better gas mileage. Owner's manual, onboard info, trip computer, your vehicle status. Everything looks good. Finally, you have your settings. Doors, lighting profiles, the lock and unlock chime, climate, speed limiter warning, etc. Going down below, you have buttons for your radio, unmute or mute, audio presets, CD slot, AM and FM, has heated seats for the driver and passenger. Right here, the climate control, it's dual zone, increase or lower your fan speed, directional settings for driver and passenger, automatic or manual recirculation, window defroster, max AC. Going down below, you have 2 cup holders. Push this little tray back. You have a storage compartment and a 12-volt outlet. This 335 has different drive modes. Has Eco Pro for best fuel economy. The center screen changes to represent that. Comfort for everyday driving. Sport. And then Sport Plus, which turns off traction control and opens up the valves a little bit for the exhaust. Has 3-door garage home link, dome lights, reading lights, etc. An SOS button for emergencies, and a button to open and close the sunroof. Check out the back seats. Two vents in the center, as well as a 12-volt outlet. Let's pop open the trunk. Floor mats, tethers on each side. The rear seats do fold down as well. Cargo nets and more storage on each side. The batteries are located below this. More under trunk storage. Pop open the hood. LN6 turbocharged engine. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact us at ultimatemotorsva.com or on Facebook at Ultimate Motors VA. Thank you.